This is digital signature demo. In this video, I'd like to explain how to use this demo website. First, digital signature can prove that the information is not modified by others. For me, it was difficult to understand its mechanism. So I hope that this demo website will be helpful for you to understand its mechanism. By the way, I uploaded related codes in GitHub website. So if you are interested in related codes, please click this icon and you can see some more information here. So let's move to how to use this demo website. In total, there are 4 steps. The first step is generating private key and public key. So as a default value, there are 2 values for P and Q, and you can change this value. However, they should be prime numbers. So after setting your preferred value, please click Generate Keys button. Then 3 parameters are calculated from P and Q. D is a parameter for private key. Then E is a parameter for public key. Then N is a parameter for both private and public key. And if you are interested in how to calculate these values, please see this GitHub related codes. And in terms of first or second, which is a Python or JavaScript, you can see how to calculate these P and Q values, E, D, N values as your reference. Okay, let's move to second step. The default value is set in this box. Let's assume that there are some meanings in this message. Then please click the calculate hash value here. Then hash values is calculated. And if you're interested in how to calculate this value, please see this related codes. So let's move to the third step, which is calculating its digital signature. Please click this button for generating digital signature. The point is that the digital signature is calculated from the hash value, which is the result of step 2, and private key. Then value is here. Then let's move to the fourth step. Fourth step is done by receiver. In terms of the first step, second step, and third step, which is done by which are done by sender. But in terms of fourth step, receiver will work based on the value from sender. Then default received message value is here, and which is same as this value in step 2. Then please click this button for calculating hash value. Then next, please click decrypt this button to decrypt digital signature. Then the point is that decrypted value is from the signature and public key again. So in terms of the digital signature, this is made from hash value and private key, but decrypt value is from signature and public key. Then please click the verify button here. The result of verification is true. This means that this received message is original. In other words, no other people modify this received message. So let's modify this value from 28 to bottom 3. Then click this button to calculate the hash value. Then, of course, decrypt digital signature leads to the same value. It's because from the signature and public key. It's not related to this received message. Then, when you click this button for verification, it will be false. This means that this received message is not original. Maybe somebody changed this message. So, in summary, I made this figure to help you to understand this digital signature. So message sender have some message, and the message sender makes private key and public key. Then they calculate, the message sender calculate the signature. Then sender send the message, signature, and public key. And receiver will calculate the hash value from the message and decrypted hash value from signature and the public key. Then when the receiver verify this value, then the result is true. It means the message is original. But if the decrypted hash value is different from the hash value from message, it means that the message value is not original. It can be modified by others. So I hope that this demo website will help you to understand its mechanism.